Hey guys, summer is here and so is the pesky tan. Tell me how many of you have come back from a beach vacation and looked into the mirror to see that your skin is now 2 shades darker? I can understand how it feels. Well, don't worry because I'm here to give you some quick and easy home remedies to remove that tan in a jiffy. No need to stress about spending too much time in the sun anymore. So, let's get started. The first remedy we have is the tomato and sugar scrub. All you need is a tomato and some sugar. All you have to do is cut the tomato in half. The pulp of tomatoes contains lycopene, which actually acts as a good sun protection factor. It also reduces excessive oil. It contains several skin benefiting vitamins and nutrients that can give you the skin of your dreams. Rich in lycopene, an antioxidant found in tomatoes, it can repair damaged skin and restore its natural healthy glow. Its acidic and astringent properties make it an excellent ingredient for skincare. Let's take some sugar. Now let's spread a teaspoon of sugar on the tomatoes. Sugar is one of the best natural beauty ingredients to exfoliate your skin. Sugar scrubs are mild and help remove skin tan. Sugar also helps remove dead skin. They also help rejuvenate the skin by cleaning all the dirt from the skin pores. And now gently scrub it all over your face. I'm going to do a patch test now on my hand. Guys, please make sure you do it gently as scrubbing harshly can scratch your skin. Wash it off with water. This home remedy is great to remove body tan and it has always worked for me. Let's get to the next remedy. Second remedy we have is the honey and papaya mixture. Let's take a bowl. Now let's add 4 to 5 cubes of ripe papaya. The riper, the better. Papaya is rich in natural enzymes that have skin bleaching and exfoliating properties. Papaya improves complexion, removes old skin cells, provides smoothness and radiance to the skin. Let's take some honey. And now let's add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Let's mash it up by using the back of a spoon. We all know that honey is a natural moisturizer and a skin soothing agent. It is also rich in antioxidants that removes free radicals from the skin which causes aging. Raw honey is also a natural exfoliator, which means applying it to your face takes off dry, dull skin and reveals new skin cells underneath. Now you have to mix it really well until a smooth paste is formed. Let's do a patch test now. So the texture is a little grainy, but at the same time it's smooth as well. So I'm going to apply it on my hand right now. Once the patch test is successful, you can apply this paste all over the tan skin and let it dry. Wash it after 20 to 30 minutes with water. So those were 2 super easy home remedies to remove that pesky tan. The first one was a tomato and sugar scrub where we cut the tomato in half and spread some sugar on it. We used it to gently rub over the skin to get rid of the tan. Our second remedy involved honey and papaya where we mashed some papaya and added honey to it. We then applied it all over the tanned skin and washed it off after 20 to 30 minutes. So don't forget to give them a try. Thanks for watching and do share your thoughts. Stay tuned for more such content.